So guys, before I start with this crash test, I'd like to say thank you, and that's why I will give you something back. You can win this Samsung Galaxy S10. You guys are amazing, 1.9 million subscribers. Now you can win this phone. This phone is completely new, as you can see, Galaxy S10 in white, Prism white, nice color. Guys, what you have to do is first step, like this video, then subscribe Wirte Test and make sure that the notification clock is on. Next step is like Wirte Test on Instagram and on Facebook. And the last point is to write a comment with the words "pick me." Yes guys, and then you're able to win this beautiful phone. And now let's continue with this crash test. Look at that, the touchscreen is still alive. And now let's continue.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
And as always, thumbs up for new crash test. And